friends, today I am unboxing premium Rolls-Royce toy car. Let's open the box. What's inside the car? This is three colors available. You can also buy online: black, blue, and yellow, and white. Both colors also available. There is a stitch here. Okay, this is QR code, and I am unboxing this. Yeah, see see this is a remote control. This is a left, right, and this is a straight, and this is a black back, and this was a on and off button. See how it was looking. And this is, see, Rolls-Royce car. Yes, our Rolls-Royce car is, we are a black lovers, so we taken this black car, and we have one adapted charger. This is for mobile connected charger, C pin, and see this option. And this is a on button of the car. Car is on, and then see this. I am on. You see the light. The light is on, and you see the let's see how it was looking. Come on, boys.
like this video.